Because this is what they call it, sine,
Cosine.
cosine, and the tangent. AKA, at this point in your lives, this is trigonometry. Trigonometry. And this goes back to what we did, I don't know, last week sometime, when we talked about, this is strictly right triangles. You cannot do this if it's not a right triangle. Okay? And it is basically the relationship of those sides. Relationship of the sides. So here is our example. Here is Mr. Right Triangle. And you've got these sides, angle A, angle B, angle C. Never will we be respect to the right angle. It's always going to be one of the other two angles. And here is the phrase that pays. You have to remember it like this. So, ka, toa. I hope that's it. So, ka, toa. Which means this. It's just an easy way for you to remember. When you talk about sine, which is what the letter S stands for, you talk about the relationship of the opposite over the hypotenuse. When you talk about cosine, that is the relationship of the adjacent angle over the hypotenuse. When you talk about the tangent, that is the relationship of the opposite over the adjacent. Got that? So here is case in point here. Let's say I've got this triangle right here. And I'm actually going to put some numbers in it. 10, 8, and 6. 10, 8, and 6. And if I know that this is 30 degrees, well, actually I don't need to know that it's 30 degrees. Sorry, take that away. If I asked you for the sine of angle A, the sine of angle A gets you the fraction that is the opposite over the hypotenuse of angle A. So you look at angle A, here's my angle A, I find the opposite of angle A, which is the number 6. I find the hypotenuse, which is always going to be the same, which is 10. And that is my sine of angle A is, we usually do sine in decimal form. So the sine is 0.6. Now you ask, what good does that, Grace?
What good is that?
Well, the good of that is this. If you know what sine is, we know that sine is 0.6. Without measuring, you can tell how many degrees this angle is. If in fact I would have had the foresight to copy off the trigonometric tables. Is it in here? No, but I'll find it here. Tomorrow we'll do that. We won't have time today. But I will show you. Check this out. You will seem like quite a mathematician, or you'll use a calculator, but we're not at that point yet. I know you think you are, but I've had bad experiences with calculators. Oh, what class is this? Tell me a class. Give me a class, any class.
Science.
5th grade.
No,
Oh.
science.
No, not what you behave as. Wait. Wait, let me go back. Maybe it's on
17 or 17.
This thing stopped working when somebody dropped it. Who was it?
Jason.
Oh, Jason.
So, here is what you'll do tomorrow, not today, but tomorrow. I will give you the printout of this. Give it time. Remember I said what was our sine was 0.6? Okay,
Oh.
so look at, you're looking for sine.
Uh-huh.
You gotta find where this column gets to be 0.6, which happens to be down here. The sine of 0.6 is how many degrees? 37. That means this angle right here is about 37 degrees. This. Now, you already know how many degrees this other angle. If this is 37 degrees, this angle would have to be what? The opposite. 37 degrees. If the triangle adds up to 180 degrees, this is 90, this is 37. How many degrees would that be?
53.
This one should be 53 degrees. Let's test it. I'm going to look at angle B. Aubrey Altenberg. Pick either sine, cosine, or tangent. Just pick one of the three. Randomly. Okay, tangent. Did you say that? I just didn't get it. Here, look. So, I look at the tangent of angle B. We know the relationship of tangent is TOA, opposite over adjacent, correct? If I look at my opposite side of angle B, it is what? Work with me. What? 8. What's my adjacent to angle B? 6. Okay, what is this as a decimal close to? Jane, shoot, I think even you can do this. 1.25. 8 over 6. It's 1 and 2/6, which 2/6 as a decimal is the same as 1/3. What?
You just said 2/3, right?
I said 2/6, which is 1/3. What is my decimal? So, the tangent is 1.3 repeater. Now, children, this is how you amaze your friends. If we did this correctly, when I go to my table and I look for the tangent of 1.3, it better say somewhere close to 53 degrees. We're kind of in the middle of things because it's a repeating decimal, but here we go. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Tangent of what? 1.3. Where's tangent? Which one is tangent? Correct. Tangent is the third column. 1.3270. Math always works. Always.
I love it, that's in the back of the, can I just leave this on your desk or you can?
Did you say what's in the back of the book?
It's cake receipt.
Cake.
Right.
Cake.
Cake.
We had the cake and we ate it. And the rest went to the office because we didn't quite finish it all. I will put that in respectfully. Alright, I'm gonna give you one to do and then that'll be, I'm gonna give you a quiz and I'll call it a day.
Okay.
Let's see if you can do this. Let's say, children, let's say you've got a right triangle. And here's my right triangle. This is angle A, C, C. See if anybody picked this up. I am just going to make up some numbers. Let's say this is 8. Let's make them nice round numbers. This is 12. And this maybe is, let's just go 10. Although that might be too easy. If I wanted you to figure out how many degrees angle A is, you can simply pick any of the 3 trigonometric functions you would like. Lady Kavarin? Tangent again. All right. You would look at tangent of angle A. You know because of SOHCAHTOA that the relationship in tangent is OA. What is OA? Opposite over adjacent. You plug in the numbers of the side opposite of angle A, which is 8. The side adjacent to angle A is 10. As a decimal, it is 0.8. You go to your trig table, we are looking for the tangent of 0.8. Go to that trig table. We find tangent, which is the third column. We look for 0.8. Is that down in the bottom?
Yeah.
It is. How many degrees should that one be?
39.
39 degrees. Is that true? Obviously, look at it, it looks just like 39. I just don't agree with that. We will continue this discussion.